In today's video, I will be sharing with you and explain to you what is Vertex and why you need to pay attention and why you should care. Now, the Vertex indicator is a very good indicator that has kind of stand the test of time. It's been a long time this indicator was released, but I can prove it to you in this video. We are going to see why this indicator is still working for traders in 2025. And come to think of it, this indicator, it's 100% for free. I will be sharing with you exactly how you can use this indicator, and I will also share with you exactly how you can install the indicator and how you can use it to kind of plan to make money trading the financial markets, because there is no 100% indicator in the market. The only thing you can get most of the times is 85, 90 maximum, and this Vertex indicator, it's almost 87% accurate. After a whole lot of testing, I realized this indicator is magnificent. And there's this question, I know it may be rising in the minds of the beginner, maybe seeing this video for the very first time. The question may be, can this indicator actually make me money? Yes, the answer is yes, 100%. This indicator can make you money, but it won't make you money just the way you expect, because it's not 100% accurate, right? But honestly, your winning trade should be more than your losing trade. I don't want to waste much of your time in this video. I will be going on a short break. By the time I'm back, I will be exposing this indicator for you and how you can use it to make money. Let's go. Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome to today's video. I'm here with you once again in the studio, and today's video I have something very important I will be sharing with you. And towards the end of this video, I will be dropping a huge bonus on how you can make even the most out of this indicator with this strategy altogether. It's going to be a strategy towards the end of this video. Now, this indicator is called the Vertex arrow, and first of all, I want us to look at what is Vertex. I know many people may be asking why the indicator called Vertex. In this video, I'll show you what Vertex is and why you should care. And this indicator will give you exactly what you're looking for. If you come back here, look at the questions. I just typed Vertex here. If you look, I typed Vertex and it gave me the answer. It said a vertex is a point where two or more lines or edges meet, forming a corner. And this is what this indicator is, because I've known this indicator for years and I know how powerful this indicator is. And the Vertex indicator, it's where multiple lines meet. But in this video, the indicator is not showing you just line. There's no any single line. It's just an arrow to arrow and super precise. And this is what Vertex is all about. It's where lines meet. And this indicator, it's going to be magnificent. Wait until you see how powerful, how unique this indicator is altogether. Now, we're going to be diving into my desktop where I will be sharing how this indicator can work for you and how you can make money out of it. If you come here, you're going to see I'm on a chart, and of course, I've installed the indicator. But I want you to also pay attention here. Look at this. You can see there's an arrow here, and look at the movement. The movement is something out of this world. Now, this is beautiful. This is how my chart looks like right now. You can see from the sell arrow here. Pay attention, we have a sell arrow here. Let's even bring up our epic pen because I want you to see something. So let me bring my epic pen out because I would like to demonstrate this so you understand it perfectly. Now, from this arrow to this arrow, it's beautiful. We can count thousands and thousands of pips here. Now, if you look at this arrow, we have a sell signal here, and then look at the movement here. We have a buy signal here, and look at now the movement. This indicator will make you consistent amount of money. Now, is this indicator good for beginners? The answer is yes. This indicator is good for beginners. Every beginner can stand the chance to use this indicator and make good amount of profit in the market. Now, I love the indicator because I've been seeing a lot of good things about this indicator since when I was using it. Now, if I come back here, I'm going to see a signal here. Guess the signal here. Now, most of the times I do enter when the first dot appear. Now, if the arrow appear like this with the dot on top of it directly like this, it's going to be beautiful. But in this case, you're going to see the sell, the buy arrow appear, but without the dot. And then the dot appeared later. So this is where I will enter a buy trade and look at the filter. It filtered the whole thing 100% clean. Now you can trade this from this arrow to this arrow. Beautiful. Most traders using the Vertex indicator trade it arrow to arrow. The question is, why is this indicator so significant? Why is this indicator so important that traders can't do without it? The truth is that the indicator is a paid tool, but you're having it today 100% for free. I will be leaving the link to download this indicator in the video description below. But wait, I will show you how to download it. Okay, now if you come back here, you're going to see arrow to arrow will do the job, but for me, I think it's beautiful. Look at, from this arrow to this arrow, magnificent. From this arrow to this arrow, magnificent. From this arrow to this by arrow, magnificent. This is beautiful, and it's super clean. Your chart is as if there's no single indicator on it. Right now, to download this indicator, there are a few things you needed to do. First thing first, you need to click the link I provided in the video description below. If you land on the link, you are going to see like an article. Yes, it's an article. You're going to see how does the currency trading work. I just dropped the article there so you can also gain some knowledge about the forex market. Take your time and go through the article and read it for yourself. I prepare a detailed article about how you can make the most out of the financial market, especially if you're starting as a complete beginner. Now, take your time, read through the article, and then you can scroll down to the extreme end. That will help me a lot. If you read the article, you're going to see download Vertex Arrow Killer. See that? Download Vertex Arrow Killer. You're going to download this indicator 100% for free. Once you click on the download button, it will start downloading. And again, you're going to see the download via X75 strategy free. That is an added advantage for you. Like I said earlier, you are going to see this article here. It's a complete blog post article that I talk about forex currency trading, how it works for beginner. It's a kind of step-by-step guide to pick you by the hand and expose you to the world of currency trading and how you can get started even you start as a complete beginner. So the article is going to be a wonderful guide for those who are starting new. So you can take your time and go through the article, read through the article, and you can scroll down towards the end of the article. That's where you have access to download the Vertex Arrow Killer free 100%. Let's go back to my indicator. So from this indicator, you're going to see that this indicator is beautiful. Now, how can I install this indicator? By the time you download this indicator, you are going to see a folder. You're going to get a file like this called the Vertex Arrow Killer Indicator latest version, right? Right click on the indicator and click on extract here. You're going to have it in a folder like this. If you open this folder, you're going to see .ex4 file Vertex Arrow. So to install this indicator is simple. Right click and copy this folder like this. Head over to file and click on it. Once you click on file, come here to open data folder. Click on open data folder. You will be seeing this folder open, and I want you to go straight to MQL4. Double click to open it, and then you can now double click to open indicators. And after that, you can now right click and paste the indicator right inside. But I won't do that anymore because I already have the indicator called Vertex Arrow. It's already here. So this is how simple to install it. In your own case, right click and click on paste, and the indicator will be installed successfully. This is good, right? Now, if you go through the indicator, this is how it looks like. Very clean. You barely see the arrows, and you have all the necessary settings done for you. Let's go to the indicator settings. Right click and go to indicator list. You can come here to indicator list, click on it. You're going to see the Vertex Arrow, and then I want you to click on edit. Once you click on edit, come here to common and make sure you check allow DLL import and also allow signal external expert import. So every other thing I would suggest to leave them default. I never change any single settings. I use the default settings, and that will do the job for you. Okay, now if you want to add it to your chart, let's say you want to add it to GBP, USDJPY. If you come to USDJPY, you only have to come here to navigator and click on it. Inside the navigator window, you're going to see the Vertex Arrow Killer. Now, in case it's like this, you're not seeing the indicator, only the folder, click on the plus button sign to reveal the indicator, drag it into the chart, and that should do the job for you. Click on allow DLL import, and just leave every other thing default and click on OK. Boom, you can see the indicator Vertex Arrow is sending us signal already. So you're going to get this pop-up alert all the time. If there is signal, you can see we have a sell arrow here, and then it went down. You make a consistent amount of money from here to here. I think we made about, wonderful, we made about 200 and 9 pips or 210 pips, let's put it that way. That's a lot of money. Now look at from this buy signal to this sell signal, that's a lot of profit, right? Now it will give you a consistency in the market. Now you can share this video with family and friends. It's beautiful because they will stand the chance to make money with this indicator. You can use it however you want and make good amount of profit, right? Like I said earlier, you can trade it from arrow to the next arrow, to the next arrow, to the next arrow. And because you can use it for a long-term trading, arrow to arrow will give you a consistent and long-time, ways to make money out of it. So this is much about the Vertex arrow indicator. Now, the Vertex arrow is not just an ordinary indicator. It's a tool that was designed by a group of indicators, by a group of traders to bring the most out of it. Like I told you earlier, what is actually Vertex? Vertex is where multiple lines more like meet to form an edge or to form one single bond. So you can do more research about the term or the word vertex and you understand exactly what I'm talking about. Well, this will bring me to the end of the video, and I appreciate you sitting back here to watch this wonderful video to the end. I remember the bonus tip I said I wanted to add. The bonus tip I wanted to add to this is that you can easily go ahead and add 30 smooth moving average and make the most out of it. Let's add it. Come back to indicator here. I want you to come to indicator, click on this indicator, come here to trend, click on trend. I want you to come here straight to moving average, click on it. Inside the moving average, come here and select 30, and the method I want you to set it to smooth. The line thickness, I want you to select line width number 2 or number 3. Number 2 is okay, number 3 will do. And then the color of your choice, I'm using a white background, so I'll go with black. I'll click on OK. Boom, you're going to see it's beautiful. Now why I say this is that sometimes you want to filter it as much as possible, since it can be used for long time trading. Once you see a sell signal like this, you wait until it crosses below the 30 smooth moving average, and boom, you expect the price to go down even more. So that's how beautiful this indicator is altogether. And you can decide to go ahead and trade it arrow to arrow. Just like I said, it's totally fine. Many people say good things about this indicator from the inception, from the beginning of using this indicator. And some people say they made over $10,000 only using this indicator raw without adding any single filter to it. So it's now all up to you. You're having it today 100% for free. Use it and make money. Thank you once again for your time. This will bring me to the end of the video. If today is the first time you're seeing me, please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share this video with family and friends because it will help me a lot. Thank you. I will see you guys on the next one. But until then, I want to say bye.